name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. If you guys like videos like these, the beauty blogging, vlogging, randomness, I have a top 5 favorite series. I have monthly favorites at the end of each month. Or like this video, what I like to take with me and how I like to pack with tips and tricks, then consider subscribing. Alright guys, in this video, I'm going to show you what I pack with me, what cases I take with me, some tips and tricks, what I wear on a flight. So I'm gonna need all the basic essentials I need with me, like my laptop, my camera gear, all that good stuff on the plane because I won't have any access to the bottom of the cargo. And just a side note, I normally don't have this full face of makeup when I get on a plane. Not gonna lie, I just filmed this fall look of this beat of this, how do you do this? Just filmed this fall look here of this beat. Don't forget to subscribe as this will be posted up shortly. Let's just go ahead and get started because I have a lot to talk about. The first thing I take with me when I travel is my laptop. I cannot be away from my computer. As long as there's Wi-Fi, I'm still working. I am in contact with all my clients via email. I still do my video editing, especially on the airplane, and I also still post them wherever I am, so I'm still consistent of what I do wherever I am in the world. Of course, I'm gonna need my charging things. So I have this little Dior bag that I take with me all the time. Everything fits perfectly. I have my camera chargers, I have my mouse, I have my cords, my laptop chargers, extra batteries, and of course, extra SIM cards is a must. I go through a lot of footage. I'm gonna need extra for backup. Of course, a pen. And I got this new Away carrying case that comes with a portable charger, which is awesome. I'm gonna take my vlogging camera, which is the Canon G7X, as well as my M50. My husband will take his Osmo DJI Pro pocket thingy. That's a really good thing to film with. Of course, my little Joby stand because it's easy to travel with and very flexible. My headphones for the flight. Of course, I'm gonna need my hat. This is a must. I'm gonna need my hands-free portable fan that I got for myself and my husband. Manila is hot, guys. Like, this is a really cool fan because there's lights on there. I don't know when we'll use the light, maybe at nighttime, so we can know where we are. It's a USB charger, very easy to take. Of course, we're going there for our cousin's wedding. Basic hair tool essentials, combs, clips, my sunnies. I'm gonna take 2 pairs. I just don't know what the second pair is yet. Favorite portable mirror with LED lights is battery operated, very easy to travel with. It's nice and small. I really like the adjustable lighting too. Anywhere I'm at, if there's not enough light or too much light, very perfect. This is gonna be another bag I'm taking with me, not just to travel with this, but when I do my side trips, this is easy to store all my essentials where I can see everything through that bag. Again, we're attending a wedding, so I'm gonna need a nice fancy bag with me. Won't be able to take my vlogging cameras because it's too big for that, but I'll probably take my husband's. This is a really cool bag. Oh my gosh, I really love this. This is a handmade bag. Bali, Indonesia, so they're handmade and it's very special to me. All the proceeds will go back to their country and town. This is my Adidas fanny pack that I love to take with me anywhere, even here in the Bay. It's easy when I ride my scooter. I wear this. It's so easy to wash. You just pop it in that washer and then just hang dry it and you're all good for the next day. This is an emergency kit I pack with me all the time. I have hand sanitizers, cleansing oils, Neosporin sprays. Of course, I have bad allergies in case I get bug bites, band-aids. I have some bug wipes. These are wipes to clean lenses. Emergency, definitely will need that. So tip number 1, I like to keep these little jars. As you can see, this is from Boscia, and I keep my medicine in there. So this is actually just Motrin, but it's just easy to travel with these small little jars that I can toss away when I'm done. This is a very large toiletry bag that I'm sharing with my husband. Got some bug spray because Manila bugs be crazy. That's just some conditioner spray. A Head and Shoulders shampoo bottle that I got in Thailand, so I just reuse it. Those are just some extra bottles I like to keep around when I travel. I put body washes in there, and again, once I'm done, I just toss them away. Of course, when you need some sunscreen, definitely a must to spray. Some after the sun, some aloe vera just to calm the skin so you don't get that irritated skin and burn. I'm gonna need conditioner for my hair. Ooh, that's for some poopy. Another tip, I like to keep these samples because again, once I'm done with it, I toss it, don't have to take home that stuff. Hair serum, allergy pills, makeup wipes, those cute individual ones, they're single packs. Some Q-tips. I am a germaphobe, so we're gonna need some antibacterial wipes. When I'm on board, I like to read and do something because it's so boring. So these are just old magazines that I have laying around the house. Just make sure you take your address labels off of there in case you leave them behind. Sam Edelman are my favorite dress shoes. I got this new one because it's not as high as the regular Yarrow ones, so that will be good for the wedding. These black slippers are perfect to go out with and also when you're clubbing or just going out nighttime. Black sandals are great for casual and evening wear because they're still considered like black shoes. I have them in a neon yellow as well as a pewter colored one. My favorite Nike slippers are really soft. And these are my favorite pair of reef slippers that my dog bit when he was a baby. Probably the only pair of shoes he actually bit because they're like soft and foamy. But still gonna wear them. Moving on to my makeup bag. There is a lot of makeup in here. It's pretty heavy. I kid you not, all the makeup that I'm bringing in here is basically for the wedding, which is a one-day event. I normally don't like to wear too much makeup. When it's hot and humid, the only thing I would like to wear is just moisturizer and sunscreen. Just like Hawaii. I brought this whole makeup tray. Did I use it? Only once. This makeup you've guys seen me use before. There's some oldies but goodies. There's some stuff that you probably see me use when I travel, like this Natasha Denota palette. I'll try my best to link everything down in the info box for you guys. If not, ask me because the info box is limited of space. So another tip, I like to bring a lot of older products or like things I don't use as much, or I know after I use it that time I'll throw it away, or it's like the bottom of the barrel. Things that I don't use anymore or I know it's getting old, I'll just toss it out. I'll take this little planner that I got from Target. It's $1, very inexpensive. It's very thin and easy to travel with. I'll probably brainstorm on some video ideas or just things like I just want to jot down when I'm sitting on the plane. So we're moving on to clothes. So these are just some of my favorite shorts I like to travel with. I bought some new ones. They're easy to fold. They don't get wrinkled. I'm a big pocket person. I have to have pockets in my stuff. Otherwise, my husband's my pocket. But majority of the time, I like pockets because I like to stick my hands in my pocket when I stand because I'd be posing. No, I just feel empty if I don't have pockets or a bag, so that's why I really like pockets. I'm gonna take a whole bunch of tees and tanks with me. They're just random stuff. I just packed a whole bunch of tanks, guys. This is one of my favorite tops that I wore to Hawaii. I purchased this on Shein. There's a whole bunch of things that I got from Shein, which is a pretty cool company. I'm also gonna take a one-piece bathing suit with me just in case because I'm still not feeling myself as much. So I'm gonna wear that in case if I don't feel like wearing a two-piece. So I'm gonna show you how I pack all my things in my case. All right, so let's just clean up all this mess around me and place this in here. So I actually got these little packing cubes from Amazon. I know I actually talked about these packing cubes I got from Amazon on my Hawaii trip. Those were like bammer. So I actually got these new ones, which are really nice. They're a little bit thicker, they're easy, they're mesh, and it actually is really stretchable, so you can put a lot. So I usually fill in the bigger clothes and the bigger ones, of course the smaller ones and the smaller, and then mediums and vice versa. So these are easy to store in your luggage once they're in the packing cubes. So with the packing cubes, it's easy to organize in here. Everything is just easy when you open it and you can find your things. Have the clothes in this large one. I like to put my toiletry and my large bottles in this clear bag, so if it spills in that bag. Some waterproof bags should we go on beach or water activities. We can take our phones and stuff and it will be sealed and it'll protect it. Another toiletry bag, my husband's Gucci fanny pack, some shoes, of course your emergency, protect your hands-free fan, and zip away. That's my husband's case. Now let's move on to mine. So I actually have more things to pack in here. As you've seen, there's extra space. I just wanted to show you how easy and convenient it is with those packing cubes. It's such a game changer. So this is my carry-on case I like to take with me. I like to keep all my important things in here. Things that if this were to get lost, I wouldn't cry, so this has to be with me. I have my magazines here for my flight. I have that little planner. My hair curler, of course I have my earphones, my sunglasses. I'm gonna need a hat. These are just wipes that should have been in here, so I will pack that there. My portable mirror and some other things like hair clips and some feminine products I will be needing with me. Of course, my handbag for the party. Of course, my laptop, and this is a pretty cool bag because this actually fits the laptop in here perfectly. And of course, my makeup case, I need to take this with me. I will have a heart attack if I lose it, so that is going with me on the plane. And that's it. So this is my backpack I like to take with me on the airplane. I use this a lot. Once I get situated in the airplane, I will take my laptop from my case and leave it in here just because it's easier to access. Of course, I'm gonna take my chargers with me. I can grab a few magazines if I want to. Of course, all my monkey snacks. And I can't forget about my pillow and my sleeping eye mask. Once I get on board, I'm like crawling through people, like, excuse me, excuse me. So first thing I like to do is take off that backpack, put that under my seat in front of me. So what I like to always do is just wear a really comfy sweater, something nice and loose and baggy because I like to be comfortable, and plus it does get cold on the airplane. So wearing something with a large hood, I can cover my face. So if I get chilly, of course I'm gonna need my neck pillow. I'm that crazy sleeper that bobs her head like all directions. Of course I'm gonna need my sleeping eye mask because I need that blackout effect or really loud music or even sunglasses. But sometimes wearing the sunglasses for that 16 hours, it hurts my temples or just the bridge of my nose gets those little glasses, dimples, and it's annoying, right? I have to use an eye mask. Once I get situated and grab all my things from my carry-on case to my seat, then I'm happy, I'm in place. So sad, the last clip of this footage did not record, so I'm gonna do a quick voiceover. So last and final tip is to download some of your favorite movies on Netflix. It's free, it's easy to download. I would recommend downloading it before you leave just because of Wi-Fi at home, it's just a lot faster. I am basically renewing some of the movies I downloaded from my last trip. This is just something easy for me to listen to while I fall asleep or just some background noise because it is loud on the plane. So now I'm situated, I'm just gonna have an easy flight, put on my eye mask and have a good rest. All right, see you guys in the next one. Bye!